In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate a Zoom meeting transcript. This short tutorial will guide you through the simple steps needed to access and manage your meeting transcripts. Whether you're looking back on a class lecture, a business meeting, or any other important conversation, having a transcript can be immensely helpful for reviewing and sharing detailed information. So, let's dive right in. First, we'll begin by heading over to the Zoom website. Open your preferred web browser and type in zoom.com in the address bar. Press enter, and once the page loads, you should see the Zoom homepage. Here, you're going to locate the Sign In button. It's conveniently located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it, and you'll be invited to sign in using your username and password. Make sure you enter your credentials accurately and hit the Sign In button to proceed. Once you've signed in, the next step is to navigate to the Recordings tab. On the left side of your screen, you'll see a menu with various options. Look for the Recordings tab and click on it. This is where Zoom stores all your recorded meetings, including their transcripts, if you've enabled automatic transcription. It's a good idea to always enable this feature for future meetings if you haven't already. That way, you ensure all important conversations are documented for easy access. Next, direct your attention to the Computer Recordings tab. It's another section within the recording menu that specifically houses the files saved directly to your computer. Clicking on it will show you a list of all the meetings that have been saved locally. Here, you'll be able to conveniently view any transcripts associated with these recordings. Take a little time to browse through and locate the specific transcript you need. After locating the relevant transcript, you'll have the option to open the file location on your computer. Hover over the recording entry you are interested in, and you'll see an Open button appear. Click on this, and your File Explorer will open, directing you to the exact location where your recording and its transcript are stored. From here, you can easily open the file, read through the transcript, or share it with others as needed. And that wraps up our session on generating Zoom meeting transcripts. It's a straightforward process, but one that adds great value to your virtual meetings. By following these steps, you can effortlessly manage and utilize your meeting archives. Should you need a quick refresher, remember you can always return to this video. I hope you find this walkthrough helpful, and feel free to explore additional Zoom features to enhance and streamline your communication. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.